Hi everyone, welcome to Learning by Doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this Java object-oriented programming playlist, we will learn OOPS concepts step by step. This is Java OOPS programming session number 70. Abstract method we'll discuss today. If you are serious about learning, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Please click the bell icon. Select all notification options. Don't choose personalized option. You may miss some session updates. So in our previous session, we have discussed about purpose and abstraction advantages of abstraction, followed by we discussed how to achieve abstraction in Java. Two ways we can achieve through abstract class and the interface. So through abstract class, we will achieve 0 to 100 percentage, that is partial abstraction. We'll discuss in the forthcoming session why we are calling it as a 0 to 100 percentage of partially abstraction, and the interface is achieving 100 percentage abstraction. We'll discuss these things in the forthcoming sessions in a detailed manner. Don't worry about it because many of the freshers are wrongly understand. So they don't know about just if you're asking the interviews, they'll tell abstract class means 0 to 100 percentage. So if the interviewers are asking, so what is meant by that 0 to 100 percent means they don't know how to explain that. So we'll discuss in a detailed manner in the forthcoming sessions. Don't worry about that. Okay. So coming to the today's agenda, we'll discuss about abstract method. So before getting the abstract class, we should know what is by abstract method. So abstract method means we are declaring the method without body. Okay. So method will be present, but there is no definition. Only declaration is present. Next, it ends with the semicolon. We already know if you are using that abstract method, will declare only the method. There is no definition or implementation. Example here, abstract void insert card. Usually, what you'll do if you're using normally void insert card or void display, you'll use the curly braces and then uh, define it. What is that? System.out.println an example displaying the card details or something, you will define it. But here you can able to understand. We'll simply use the abstract method. First of all, use the abstract keyword followed by return type, method name, parenthesis, semicolon. This is what abstract method ends with semicolon without body. You won't implement it because what in the abstraction hiding the implementation details and showing only the functionality to the user. I hope now the definition is matching here. Only declaration is available. That is what I'm telling. Hiding the implementation details, that is definition details, showing only the functionality to the user. I hope you're clear with this. Next, rules of abstract method. Abstract method does not have implementation. I already told you, abstract method means there is no method body. So it does not have implementation. Technically, we are calling it as a implementation. Okay. The actual meaning is what is that? There is no definition. You are not going to define anything with the curly brace. Only you will use the semicolon. That's it. If a class contain at least one abstract method, class must be declared as abstract. Important thing. If you are using a normal method, not an issue. But if you are using abstract method, definitely that class should be a abstract one. So before the class keyword, you should use the keyword abstract. Class must be declared as abstract. We already discussed about the modifiers. So it will come under the non-access modifiers. Access modifiers means public, private, protected, default. Non-abstract, static, final, abstract. All these things will come under the non-access modifier. Prerequisites, watch the previous session. Next, what is the abstract class now? Am I right? So this abstract class we'll discuss in the forthcoming session. So today's agenda, this session agenda, what is that? We'll discuss about what is by abstract method. So a method without body is called as an abstract method. You should use the keyword abstract before the return type. So there is no definition. If you're using the abstract method, what you do? You should declare that class as abstract. Even one method you're having, you should declare that class as abstract. If you found this session useful, then like the video and subscribe the channel for more update. Please share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.